Providence Family Medicine Heathwood is conveniently located on Devine Street and is ready to serve the needs of you and your family. Friendly, caring, understanding, patience. At Providence Family Medicine Heathwood, we understand just how important these elements are for you. It is our goal to make sure we are friendly and courteous from check-in to check-out and everything in between. We want you to feel welcome. Why? Because we care. We care how you feel and want you feeling good. If you are not feeling your best, we find solutions in which best suits your symptoms. If you are in for a well visit, we will make sure that you get the attention and explanations you need and deserve. Understanding. We want you to understand everything we discuss throughout your visit, from diabetes to allergies to cholesterol management. We want you to understand how to live life at its best. If you are suffering from a seasonal cold, virus, or the flu, we will make sure that you feel better as soon as possible because we understand. Patience. Our staff and physicians will take the amount of time needed to ensure your happiness. Being a patient of our practice really does matter to us. We have a passion for helping people, and we would be honored to be a partner in your healthcare. Schedule your next appointment at Providence Family Medicine Heathwood today.